Welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making evening tea time snacks. Crispy outside, soft and spicy potato filling inside. A perfect snack to enjoy with tea. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon kalonji or black seed, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add 1/3 cup water and make a soft dough. Rub some oil and keep aside. Now prepare the potato stuffing. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 crushed green chilies, 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoon green peas, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well. Add coriander leaves. And keep aside. Now take the dough and roll into a long shape. Resting the dough makes it softer. Cut into halves. Place the potato stuffing inside. Apply water at the edges and fold as shown. Seal properly. Do not overfill the stuffing. Seal edges properly to avoid opening. And cut the edges for shape. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Kalonji adds a unique aroma and flavor. Stuffed snacks are popular for tea time. Crispy snacks pair perfectly with tea. This can be shaped in many creative ways. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Potatoes provide energy and fullness. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. Spices aid digestion and flavor. You can control oil uses. Your crispy evening tea time snacks are ready. Serve hot with tea or your favorite dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enovin Cake and Cookies for more easy snack ideas.